The sports yacht market is definitely on the rise. A lot of entry-level models now are starting around 40 feet, but this Bavaria S29 we're about to show you is a great reminder of what can be done around that 30-foot mark. With a starting price of around 130,000 euros excluding VAT, that's real dayboat outboard engine money. You've got an inboard powered cruising yacht, 4 berths, capable of around 30 to 35 knots. There's an awful lot to like about this boat, and we're going to show you around it. I'm Carl Richardson and you're watching YachtBuyer. Stood here in the cockpit of the Bavaria S29 open, and let's just deal with that open bit first of all. There is no hardtop option, it just falls in line with the way that Bavaria designate their boats. You do get this rather fabulous radar arch here, and this is important because it acts as the platform for a bimini, camper canvas for the boat. So if you are cruising in colder climates or you want some shade, this is the perfect platform for that. The boat you're looking at actually comes with a comfort package, and what you can see is this slight upgrade to the upholstery, and you get some extra mood lighting, some LED lighting as well. I'm told most people just go with the standard boat, and we'll come back to that as we go below decks. So we've got wraparound seating here, teak table, little wet bar. The main galley is below decks. There's space for a galley below. So this is purely a refrigerator, sink and some stowage. Speaking of stowage, there is a massive bin underneath this aft sun pad. It just lifts up on 2 gas struts. You've got a huge storage locker in there. We'll take up fenders, lines, life jackets, you name it, it can all fit in there. Importantly, for a boat of this size, around 30 feet, we've got steps up onto the side deck. Now, a lot of boats this size don't even have side decks. You're going over the windscreen if you want to go onto the foredeck. Here, we've got neat little side steps up here. They're deep. The stanchion rails come right back, so you've got something to hold on to. And they are wide, deep, proper side decks to take you forward. And just a word on the detail and finish. We've got the synthetic teak option on here, is an option, but there's stainless steel fittings everywhere. The gas struts to the lockers, these are all signs of the quality that Bavaria are pouring into this entry-level sports yacht. You can't help but be impressed. And really what you've got here is a 40-foot sports yacht layout in a 30-foot boat. All the elements, sun pad seating, single helm, radar arch, you've got lighting there as well in the evening. You've got it all. You've got a single diesel or petrol inboard stern drive. It's a proper sports cruiser package. Just a quick additional point, the Bavaria S30 that some of you may see, that is basically the same boat, but what Bavaria offer is an extending seat that comes all the way around the back. So you get extra seating, you can infill that seating to make a sun pad, but what you obviously lose is this fixed sun pad and that great storage boot underneath. We moved inside the Bavaria S29, and this is really where your money's going, and this is the difference with this kind of boat. We have a proper interior with a forward main cabin with this convertible dinette. We have a toilet and shower compartment here with full standing headroom. We have a decent sized galley with 2 hob, refrigerator, lots and lots of storage dotted around. And then better still, we have a separate mid cabin. So if you're cruising as 2 people, that's your main cabin. If you're cruising as a 4, as a family, this will drop down and convert into a large double berth. But importantly, in that mid cabin, you've also got a bench seat, full standing headroom, or close to full standing headroom. And that means that it's not just a place to sleep in, it's a place that you can actually go and sit in, contemplate. There's a nice little porthole next to the bench there, so you've got air and light coming in. It's a proper cabin, and bear in mind, for this kind of price, generally speaking, we're in dayboat territory, maybe a small cabin tucked away somewhere. This is a proper weekender come cruising yacht, and as I say, if you want to see your money being well used, if you want to see value, that's exactly what you're getting with this Bavaria. Lighting, we have obviously down lights all the way around. As part of the comfort pack, they have LED lighting. You have a slight boost to the upholstery, but I'm told that most people go with the standard yacht, and that's another real tick for this boat, that you don't need to have all the extras. You get a really solid cruising package as standard. If you want to stay on board your boat, this is the kind of thing you want. So that was the small but mightily impressive Bavaria S29 Open. I hope you liked our tour. If you did, please do like us. And if you want to see more of what we're doing at YachtBuyer, do click up here. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd be a wonderful thing. Please click up here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, I'm Carl Richardson and you've been watching YachtBuyer.